Good afternoon, Chris again from Sussex Caravan Centre. This afternoon what we're going to demonstrate is how we are going to fit the Milenco Wraith wheel lock. Now, inside the case we have all the bits and pieces. We have 3 keys with it. We have a stud and we have an Allen key. We actually have the wheel lock and we've got the corresponding bar which goes through underneath the chassis. First thing we've got to do, we've got to remove one of the wheel studs and replace it. What we're going to do, we're going to replace the stud with the stud which is with the kit. As you can see, we've got an indentation ring around there. The stud we're going to wind back in and going to make sure that it's torqued up to the relevant torque. Nice and tight. Now, having fitted the stud, what we have to do, we have to adjust the lock. Now we can adjust the barrel for in and out with a little Allen key grub screw which is tucked away just inside. Now if we were to slacken that off, we can then turn the lock barrel which screws in and out of the housing. Now, once we've got it set, we take the key, make sure the key is all the way home, and we can unlock ball bearings and a plate just tucked in. There's 3 around there. We can take the corresponding bar, slide it into the back, and we've got a little bit of adjustment there, so you don't have to have the wheel exactly in place, in the correct place, not basically with the lock and Milenco wheel lock. The idea is then slide the bar through and we can drop the barrel over the stud that we fitted. Then we can actually lock it on. So that means the Milenco Wraith is now locked on to that particular wheel via the stud, and we've got the corresponding bar which goes underneath the chassis there, which is a wheel lock. Removing it, make sure the key's all the way home, unlock, pull off, and that is the Wraith wheel lock fitted. As I say, 3 keys, and we've got adjustment on the barrel via the Allen key that is supplied.